Court challenges Trump appeal in E Jean Carroll's case. A federal appeals court has questioned why former U.S. President Donald Trump waited more than 3 years to claim that he deserved absolute immunity from a defamation lawsuit by writer E Jean Carroll for denying that he raped her. Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than 2 members of a 3-judge panel of the Second U.S. Circuit Court of Appeals in Manhattan challenged Trump's lawyer Michael Madaio during oral arguments in Trump's appeals of pivotal rulings by U.S. District Judge Kaplan. Madaio called presidential immunity an absolute and nonwaivable protection that judges could not override. Carroll, a former Elle magazine columnist, sued Trump in November 2019 over his denial 5 months earlier that he had raped her in a midtown Manhattan department store dressing room in the mid-1990s. Trump, who was president in 2019, said Carroll was not my type, and suggested that she made up the rape claim. To boost sales of her forthcoming memoir, Trump is appealing Kaplan's June 29 refusal to dismiss Carroll's lawsuit, and the judge's August 7 dismissal of some of his defenses in a defamation counterclaim against her. Kaplan ruled on September 6 that Trump's denial was defamatory, leaving only the issue of damages for the trial scheduled for January 16, 2024. Carroll is seeking at least $10 million US, 16 million Australian dollars. On May 9, another jury awarded Carroll $5 million US for sexual assault and defamation, though not rape, after Trump last October again denied that the rape occurred. Trump is also appealing that verdict. Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than during Monday's arguments, Madaio said Trump acted in the outer perimeter of his job as president by responding to Carroll's accusations. Madaio also said denying immunity would disrupt the constitutional separation of powers between the U.S. government's executive and judicial branches. Trump faced an unprecedented, unprovoked attack on his character, Madaio said. As both the leader of a nation and the head of the executive branch, he could not sit idly by. Circuit Judge Denny Chin questioned why Trump waited until December 2022 to claim immunity, even as the former president raised other defenses, after both sides had gathered evidence. This was litigated for 3 years without the assertion of the defense, Chin said. How was it an abuse of discretion for Judge Kaplan to say it was too late? Carroll, 79, has long accused Trump, 77, of using stall tactics to keep her case from getting to trial. She proposed the $10 million US damages award after Trump disparaged her as a whack job in a CNN town hall-style event following the previous verdict. Carroll's lawyer Joshua Matz rejected any suggestion Trump could not waive absolute immunity because broader structural considerations were at play. Time equals 400 Ms. Greater than, that is hokum, Matz told the appeals court. A party who believes that they are holding on to absolute immunity from suit does not behave the way that Mr. Trump behaved at his case.